Where can you borrow money? When you need money, the biggest question is often simple. Where should you borrow it from? There are many sources, but each one has different costs, risks, and repayment conditions. Today, let's explore your borrowing options carefully. First, ask yourself why. Before looking for a lender, understand why you need the money. Is it an emergency, education, home repair, business investment, or something else? Knowing the purpose helps you choose an appropriate borrowing source and avoid unnecessary debt. Start with your savings. Before borrowing, check whether you can cover the expense with your own savings. Using available cash means no interest, no monthly payments, and no lender. However, avoid completely draining your emergency savings just to avoid borrowing. Borrowing from family. Family members can sometimes be a convenient borrowing source, especially during emergencies. There may be little or no interest, but treat family loans seriously. Clearly discuss the amount, repayment schedule, and expectations before accepting the money. Borrowing from friends. Close friends may also be willing to help temporarily. However, friendship should not replace financial discipline. Agree on the repayment amount and date beforehand. Keeping everything clear can prevent financial disagreements from damaging an important relationship. Employer salary advance. Some employers allow employees to receive part of their upcoming salary early. This can be useful for short-term emergencies. Before accepting, understand whether there are fees, restrictions, or deductions from your future paycheck. Bank personal loans. A bank personal loan can provide a larger amount with structured monthly repayments. Banks usually evaluate your income, credit history, and existing debt. Compare different offers carefully because interest rates and fees can vary significantly between lenders. Credit unions. Credit unions can be another borrowing option if you qualify for membership. They may offer competitive rates and personalized service. Compare their total borrowing costs with banks and other lenders before deciding which option makes the most financial sense. Credit cards. A credit card is essentially a convenient form of borrowing. It can help with short-term expenses, especially when you can repay the balance quickly. But carrying a balance can become expensive because interest charges may accumulate rapidly. Home equity borrowing. Homeowners may be able to borrow against the equity in their property. These loans can sometimes offer lower interest rates, but there is significant risk. If you cannot repay the debt, your home could potentially be at risk. Auto financing. If you need a vehicle, an auto loan can spread the purchase cost across monthly payments. But don't focus only on the payment. Consider the vehicle price, interest, loan term, insurance, maintenance, and total amount you will pay. Student loans. Student loans can help finance higher education when savings and other resources are insufficient. Before borrowing, understand the total amount you may owe after graduation, the repayment terms, and how those payments could affect your future budget. Government loan programs. Government-backed programs may provide financing for areas such as education, housing, agriculture, or small businesses. Eligibility varies by program. Always use official sources, verify requirements, and understand the repayment terms before submitting an application. Small business loans. If you are borrowing to grow a business, consider a dedicated business loan rather than using expensive personal credit. Prepare a realistic business plan, understand the expected return, and make sure projected cash flow can support repayments. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending connects borrowers with investors through online platforms. It can provide another alternative to traditional banks. However, compare interest rates, origination fees, repayment terms, platform reputation, and privacy policies before accepting an offer. Microfinance. Microfinance provides relatively small loans to people who may have limited access to traditional banking. These loans can support small businesses or income-generating activities. But small loans can still become expensive, so understand the complete repayment obligation. Buy now, pay later. Buy now, pay later services allow you to divide purchases into installments. They may feel inexpensive because each payment is small, but multiple plans can quickly accumulate. Always consider the total amount you owe before making another purchase. Payday loans. Payday loans provide fast access to cash, but they can be extremely expensive. Short repayment periods and high fees can create serious financial pressure. Consider safer alternatives first, especially when you are already struggling to meet expenses. Avoid illegal lenders. Never borrow from illegal moneylenders simply because they promise quick cash. Hidden charges, aggressive collection practices, and dangerous consequences can create serious problems. Always choose a legitimate, regulated lender whose terms you can understand before borrowing. Compare total cost. Don't choose a loan simply because the monthly payment looks affordable. Look at the total repayment amount. Compare interest, origination fees, late charges, penalties, and other costs. The cheapest looking payment isn't always the cheapest loan. Understand interest. Interest is what you pay for using someone else's money. A lower interest rate generally means a lower borrowing cost, but the rate isn't everything. Loan duration and fees also matter, so compare the complete cost carefully. Check your monthly budget. Before borrowing, calculate whether the new payment fits comfortably into your budget. Add the proposed payment to your existing obligations. If the numbers leave you with almost nothing each month, borrowing may create more problems than it solves. Check your credit. Your credit history can influence whether you qualify and what interest rate you're offered. Before applying, review your credit information for errors. A stronger credit profile can potentially improve your borrowing choices and reduce future costs. Read the fine print. Never sign a loan agreement without understanding it. Read the interest rate, fees, repayment schedule, late payment consequences, and early repayment conditions. If something is unclear, ask questions before signing rather than discovering the answer afterward. Borrow only what you need. If a lender approves more money than you requested, don't automatically take it. Borrow only what your situation genuinely requires. Every extra dollar borrowed can create additional interest, larger payments, and less financial flexibility in the future. Have a repayment plan. Before borrowing, create your repayment plan. Know exactly when payments are due and where the money will come from. Setting aside the payment before spending on non-essential items can help you stay on track. Build an emergency fund. The best way to reduce dependence on borrowing is to build an emergency fund. Even small, regular contributions can create a financial cushion. Over time, that cushion can help you handle unexpected expenses without immediately reaching for credit. Good debt and bad debt. Not all debt has the same purpose. Borrowing for education, a productive business, or a necessary asset may potentially create future value. Borrowing for unnecessary consumption can weaken your finances. Always ask what the debt will accomplish. 5 questions before borrowing. Before accepting any loan, ask 5 questions. Do I really need it? Can I repay it? What is the total cost? Is this lender trustworthy? And is there a cheaper alternative? These questions can prevent many costly mistakes. Choose the right source. The right borrowing source depends on your situation, credit profile, purpose, repayment ability, and urgency. Don't copy someone else's choice. What works for one person may be completely unsuitable for another. Make your decision based on your own numbers. Borrowing is a responsibility. Remember, borrowing gives you money today in exchange for a commitment tomorrow. Treat every loan seriously. Compare your options, understand the risks, protect your credit, and borrow only when the benefit is worth the long-term financial responsibility. Your money, your decision. If this video helped you, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Money Solutions. We help Americans understand budgeting, banking, insurance, investing, retirement, debt, and smarter financial decisions. Keep learning, make informed choices, and build a stronger financial future.